In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your account usage and limits in HubSpot. Whether you're managing a business or working on a marketing campaign, keeping track of your account usage is essential for staying within your plan's limits and avoiding any unexpected charges. So let's dive right in and explore the process step by step. First things first, you need to head over to HubSpot. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account using your username or email and your password. If you're already logged in, you're all set to go. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see your account name displayed prominently. Go ahead and click on that account name. A drop-down menu will appear, offering several options for managing your account settings and preferences. In this drop-down menu, you'll want to look for an option labeled Account and Billing. Click on it to proceed to the next screen. This is where you'll find all the nitty-gritty details about your account, including billing information and limits. It's a hub for understanding how you're utilizing HubSpot services and making sure everything is running smoothly. Once you're on the account and billing page, locate and click on the Usage and Limits section. This is the section where you can uncover vital statistics about how you're using HubSpot. It's particularly important if you're a part of a team or an organization that needs to keep a close eye on marketing budgets and contact management. In the Usage and Limits section, you'll be able to see detailed information about your marketing contacts. This is essential for managing your email lists, ensuring you're not exceeding your subscription plan, and making necessary adjustments. Keeping track of your marketing contacts can help in strategizing campaigns effectively and avoiding any overages. Additionally, you'll also see details on your contact tier. Contact tiers determine the level of service you're subscribed to and can influence various aspects of your HubSpot usage. This information is crucial for understanding your account's capabilities and, if needed, planning an upgrade or modification to suit your business needs. To wrap up, regularly checking your account usage and limits is a best practice for smooth operations in HubSpot. It ensures that everything stays on track financially and operationally, freeing you up to focus on creating impactful marketing campaigns and achieving your business objectives. Make sure to revisit these settings periodically to stay informed and to take advantage of the full potential that HubSpot offers. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.